Wagwan Yelted. Wagwan family. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Unifa and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So I've been missing off of the YouTube scene for about, like, I don't know, really, it's hitting 3 months. 3 months? Yeah, about to hit 3 months. So these are my unashy. Hold on, I have to lotion my hand because you know me. Ash loves me. Ash always depend me. I don't know why. I just got out of the shower too, so maybe that's why. But make sure you're unmoisturized. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an update on the MacBook Pro. I believe it's a 2017 MacBook Pro. I got it about 3 months ago, but about 3 months ago. You guys have been commenting left and right on my last video that I posted on YouTube. Give us an update. We want an update, so here's the update. I got a few questions that I want to answer, questions that you guys have asked in the YouTube comments, and also what you guys been reaching out to me in my Instagram DM. Don't be scared to hit me up in the Instagram DM, because I know some people don't love to like have their whole business out on Front Street where everybody can see, so you guys like to like comment privately, and I understand that. So before I get into the video again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Follow me on all social media platforms. ADOREMONIFA everywhere. Let's just get into the video. So the first question that I want to get into is why I chose a refurbished computer versus buying a brand new computer. Now, it's important to know the purpose of why you want to purchase a computer, period, brand new or not, because then you know what you're getting out of it and how to like get what you want. So the reason I chose a refurbished laptop is because I needed something to edit my YouTube videos with. Prior, I was using my iPhone, and my iPhone didn't have enough storage, and also the fact that I got a camera now, and I needed something with a lot of storage that will be able to transfer my clips from my camera onto the device without it looking blurry and foggy. So that's why I wanted a laptop. Now, the reason why I wanted a refurbished laptop versus a brand new laptop is because I'm not spending no $1,000 on no laptop when I can get it for a cheaper price. That's one thing about me. I love a bargain, okay? So that's why I decided to go with the refurbished computer. I did a lot of research. Make sure you do your research. I did a lot of research before I even decided to go with this company. There's a whole lot of refurbished brands that are accredited and very well known, but I went with this because I'd seen a lot of reviews on YouTube about this company, so that's why I decided to go with the company. Not only the reviews of how the quality of the products were like great or whatever, also the price. The price is nice. The price did fit my budget, so I said, yeah, that one. So I ended up getting the computer that I wanted. So the next question is, who's the seller? I'm gonna put it right here, the seller's name, because you can go into the website, search them up, and buy products from them. Because what you guys don't know is Back Market is like a marketplace. It's a company, but it's a marketplace company. It's kind of like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp. It's kind of like those companies, but they also have like repairs as well. So it's like an upscale marketplace. So my computer might be great, but like if you go on the website, you find a laptop or a camera or a phone and it doesn't work up to par, you can't fault me, you can't blame me, because you didn't go through the same seller that I went through. And even if you go through the same seller that I went through, don't mean that all their products are distributed and fixed equally, you know what I mean? So just to put that out there before anybody wanna go rush to the company and say, money if I send me over there and the sitting them never turn out nice. That is not my fault. Not my fault that. Remember that, not my fault that. It's your fault. Don't listen to what me I say. Do your research. Don't listen to what me I say. Do your research. listen to what I'm saying, but also do your research, you know what I mean? Anyways, so the next question, how is the computer holding up? I have the computer right here with me. I bought a last time y'all seen the computer, it didn't have a case, so I have a clear case on the bottom and the top case. Make sure the thing protected. I also have a cover for my keyboard, so I got my face on the computer. But yeah, the computer is holding up. Like I said in the last video, it's like a fingerprint to get through to it. Y'all probably seen fingerprints and dust all on the screen. Right now I'm on Netflix. Oh yeah, I downloaded Netflix. So just to show you guys, like, this computer is working fine for me. I got Netflix, I have my editing software. You can even game on this. That's another question. Can you game? Like, you can even game on this. I try to play Sims. Yes, I was bored one day and I tried to download the Sims. If you grew up playing Sims, comment down below, because I grew up playing Sims. That's one video game where me know if I play. Me don't know if I play FIFA, Grand Theft Auto, or the next one. My brother them play. What the basketball one name? 2K. Like, I don't know how to play none of that. But Sims, that's one game that I know how to play. I don't enjoy it as much as I did when I was younger, because it's like you're literally playing somebody's life. But I tried it because I was bored one day and I said, I want to find something to do other than read. Like, I wasn't on social media a lot and I was reading. I was taking time to myself, and I also was playing a little Sims. Judge me if you want, but I was playing Sims. Anyways, so I downloaded, and I had Sims at the time. I deleted because, like I said, it wasn't as fun as it was back then. So I had Sims, I had Netflix, my editing software, and it was still running fast, not running slow. And maybe that has something to do with my internet speed or something, but it worked pretty good for me. So if you're a gamer, you want to play games, you want to stream, I do recommend this computer. Now if you're getting the Air, maybe not so much, because a MacBook Pro is different than the MacBook Air. That MacBook Air software is a lot smaller. The capacity, the space is completely different. No matter how much gigs you get, you still won't be able to play high speed, high quality games, because the resolution might be lower, it might have a lot of lagging, it might go slow. So you want to take that in consideration when you're finding a laptop that you want to use for editing or gaming. Okay, so now we're just gonna go into the comments that you guys send. I think you guys are just saying update. I don't think you guys are telling me anything. I should commercial, yes. Get the coins, money, if I get the coins. Somebody says, okay, so Dage KK says, can we get a 1 month update? I'm asking because I'm purchasing from here. Great video. So that's an update. Another person said, $400 is a good deal. Congrats, honey. Yes, that was a great deal. I don't even think they're that price right now. At the time that I purchased this laptop, there was a sale going on, so I'm grateful of the price that I paid. Somebody else said, so would you recommend back market? Definitely, I would recommend back market. Also, like I said before, do your research. But yes, I would definitely recommend back market. I'm definitely thinking about going back and buying something else, but we'll talk about this. We'll talk about that in the next video. Somebody talk about delivery. Oh, the delivery, mine took 2 days. Like I said in my previous video, it was like Amazon Prime. Even though it's on Amazon Prime, it was really fast. So that was great for like a company that is not Amazon. Like, I love Amazon. Amazon is fast, so like I wasn't expecting it to be here that fast. So that's one thing that I liked about the company. Yeah, so far my experience with the computer is pretty good. One thing about this, you have to be gentle with it. Like, sometimes I be, you know, not as gentle as I should be. So just be careful with the computer, because Netflix, where y'all load up yourself for? You know, see me do an interview, you know, see me talk to them, relax. Yeah, so that's my little update, little review of the computer. I like it. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. This is how I know if you guys reach this far in the video. If you reach this far in another video, tell me say you like me here. No, matter of fact, if you reach this far in the video, do a black heart. Do a black heart emoji in the comment section. That's why I know that you guys made it far. I'm wearing all black today. My hair is black. So do a black emoji, heart emoji, and then that's when I know that you guys made it this far. Also, make sure you follow me on everything, TikTok, Instagram at ADOREMONIFA. And thank you guys so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.